Over the last several years, it has been my desire to come up with a liquid formulation of the Invigorate. So today we're releasing that. We're going to show you how to mix it. We're going to show you each step of the process. It will come packaged in a 2-component. The main component of it is already liquefied, and this would be the liquid portion of the Invigorate. You would have a second bottle, which would be part B, and what you would do is open the cap, take the heat seal off, open product B, cut the heat seal off of product B. What you would do at that point is you would turn it up, fits very easily, squeeze it a time or two, shake it, be sure all the components are in there. Yes, we're empty. Then at that time, you'll give it a few shakes. And we should be ready to go.